can continue to expect the same quality of work, the same exceptional level of service that we have always provided. Although we've expanded and grown over the years, we still rely on our same company culture and values that we established years ago. We've built our reputation on being consultative, using top-of-the-line technology such as Contact Tracker and Matterport, just to name a few, and we have built valuable relationships with adjusters and carriers that can help make the claim process easier experience for our customers. So they're going to have fewer headaches and a sense of relief knowing that they're well taken care of, and we're here just to get their lives back on track and make a bad situation better.